Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create an invisible name or blank name ID on Facebook. So as you can see on this profile, there is no name visible and nobody can see it. Also, if you comment on a post or an image, then nobody will be able to see your name and it will show blank as you can see here. Now to make your name visible, you will need a normal Facebook account. So if you already have an account and you want to make its name invisible, then you can skip the next 30 seconds. Now to create a new account, we will make a fake account so you can learn how to create a fake account in Facebook. So just click this create new button and now fill up your details. So write your first name and last name and now write an email address. So if you don't want to put your actual email, then you can add a temporary email, and for that just search for temp mail in Google. And temporary email is an email that you can use for your temporary purposes like we use for Facebook. So this website will provide you a temporary email and you can put it here and you will receive your verification code here down in the inbox. So just copy that email and paste it here. Write your password, then date of birth and choose gender and then click sign up. So that is how you can create a fake account on Facebook. Now I already have created an account, so just let's see how we can make its name invisible. This is the temporary email which I got from that website and I've created an account with this. So I'll log in. Okay, now let's go to profile. And as you can see, there is a name visible on this ID, so let's make it invisible. And to do that, just go to settings, again settings, and here you will see your name. So edit your name and here you can change the name. We will write some special symbol in first name and surname which will make it invisible. So these are the symbol and I will put these down in the description so you can copy it easily. If you can't copy, then you can ask in the comment section. So just copy these and now paste it here. Now remove the last one from the first name and paste it in the surname. So look closely, I've copied that two symbols and the first one is the first name and the last one is the surname. Then preview your changes. Now these will show like 4 dots, so you can choose any of these. Just write your password and click save changes. And that's it. Now let's check our name. Let's refresh. So as you can see, we have 4 dots appearing here. Now in the desktop view you will see this because this is the new version of Facebook, and in the mobile view you can't notice the name as it show here. So this is the same idea I created earlier, and that is how you can make your name invisible or create a blank name ID. If you have any question in mind, then you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next.